All right, y'all, Philly D back. We in Philly D's garage. I just got a package in the mail. I already brung it in here. It's from Amsoil. Let's open her up real quick, yo. Y'all know I only use Amsoil, so that's what we got today, baby. Some Amsoil. Let's see what we got. I usually do. I don't do unboxings. Like, if I do like a tour review or something like that, usually I'm already using it or it's already unboxed. So this is like possibly my first unboxing. I don't know. So what we got? What we got? First of all, we got some differential fluid for the Infiniti G35. I'm pretty sure it's never been changed because I've never changed it since I had it, and I've had it now for, man, it's over 3 years probably. But we got Severe Gear 100% synthetic gear oil, 80 weight 90, 80 W90. Now, if y'all didn't know, 80 is for like the coldest weather. That's how thick it will be in the cold weather or cold starts. And then you got your 90 weight is basically when it's at the hottest. It'll still be a viscosity of 90 weight. So we have that. I got 2 of them because I didn't want to. I think it called for 2 quarts. Yup. Then we got the fuel filter. This got to be for the caddy because I got oil for the Cadillac. We got the 5W30. Now the Cadillac actually, I think they say you can use it's like 3 different viscosities that Cadillac take, but it's for different reasons. Like, I think one is like for racing, the other one is like some other shit, and the other one is for some other shit. But you can't go wrong with the 530 because that's what it says to use in general. All right, so we got the 530, and the good thing about the 530 is that all my cars take 530 except for the Honda. So I can't order too much of the 530. Okay, that's not. This is the 530 here because the Cadillac takes like 10 quarts. Yep, this is another one. And then I got the transmission fluid for the Lexus and the transfer case on the Infiniti. So, and then I also got to change the transmission fluid in the Infiniti also, because I know the Infiniti is all-wheel drive. Oh yeah, so it don't have a transfer case, so it just has the transmission fluid. Yeah, I think that's 10 quarts for that. Oh my god, this shit right here, y'all, is not cheap, yo. Amsoil is not cheap. They didn't even give me a sticker. That's messed up, man. Every time I get an Amsoil sticker, I try to keep that because as much money I pay for this stuff, I want my sticker. Hold on. Is that it? Nope. They really ain't give me no sticker. That's fucked up. Motherfuckers. So we got no stickers, but look, y'all. I'm gonna show y'all something. I got so many Amsoil stickers. I already put them on a lot of my stuff. Like, I got it on my cars. I got it on my toolboxes. I got them. Amsoil, you know we got the ZZP going on. Y'all already know we got the ZZP. Okay, check it out, Philly D. Hit me up. Car lockouts, battery jumps, auto mechanic. Oh shit. YouTube channel, Philly D, custom shirts. You like that, huh? You like that? All right, guys, so I don't even know what the fuck I'm talking about. All right, y'all, so you know this is my Amsoil station over here. This is where I keep all my Amsoil products. I don't know if I ever showed you guys the Amsoil station, but it's looking kind of full right now. So we got to put all the products over here. It's not even gonna fit. Got the Xerox coolant down there. That's all I use is Xerox coolant if it's not Amsoil. But usually I'm using, I think I'll use this for the Infiniti and Lexus because they Asian cars. I just use this big ass bottle here that I got from work to store like old oil in it and shit. You know what I mean? So yeah, y'all. So, yep, that was just a quick unboxing of the Amsoil. Okay, so we got the 5W30 for the caddy. We got the differential fluid for the Infiniti. We got the automatic transmission fluid. So yeah, man, just wanted to give y'all a little update what's going on with Philly D about to do these cars. I don't know. So there you guys go. If y'all use Amsoil, y'all like Amsoil, chime in below and let me know. I have nothing against any other oils though. I used to use Castrol and everything. Like I swore by Castrol for years. But Amsoil has been my thing for a minute now. So pretty much honestly since like 2011, I believe 2012 is when I first started using Amsoil. My teacher from my automotive school actually put me on to Amsoil. So, and ever since then, man, I swear by these guys, man. Like, and I'm not sponsored. I ain't got nothing to do with that, man. I'm just an honest, you know, customer of Amsoil, and they shit do work, and my cars are still running. So, I'm gonna keep on using them. But yeah, man. So yeah, I'll check y'all on the next one, man. Like the video, subscribe, and I'll see y'all later.